Today we have a delicious, simple, quick dessert for you. It's a wholemeal fruit crumble. Here are our ingredients. We have a cup of wholemeal flour, a cup of rolled oats, half a cup of sugar, and you might notice looking at this that this doesn't quite look like ordinary sugar. You can use any kind of sugar you want, but this is whole unrefined cane sugar. So it still has all the minerals in it from the molasses. It hasn't been separated out. We have 100 grams of butter, half a cup of walnuts. Now you can use any kind of nut or seed you like. You could use sunflower seeds or hazelnuts or almonds or something like that, but walnuts taste pretty good. And finally we have some fruit. You can stew fresh fruit if you have it available, or if you use cans, that means you can whip this up at really short notice, really fast, really easy. We're going to begin by putting the fruit into the baking dish. We're using a 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter or 8 inch by 8 inch baking dish for this crumble. And the fruits we're using are apple and also apricots. You can use any kind of fruit you like though, and it doesn't have to be a mix. So we're just going to spread the fruit out, get it evenly distributed in the bottom of the baking dish. Now for making the crumble. We're going to put the flour and the rolled oats and the sugar all together into the bowl. And we're going to cut the butter up into small pieces so that it's going to combine easier, and we'll put that in the bowl too. We're going to use a fork to kind of mash the butter into the other ingredients to break it up and start to mix it. And once we've mixed it through a bit, we're then actually going to get in with our hands, and this is known as rubbing. We're going to rub the flour into the dry ingredients, into the flour, and this is how we're going to combine it. After a minute or so of rubbing, the dry ingredients are going to start to clump together into sort of a loose, crumbly mix like this. Now we're going to add the walnuts in and mix these around too so they're evenly mixed through. Now the walnuts combined with that natural cane sugar are going to make a wonderful caramelly flavour, which is going to be really delicious. Finally we spread the crumble on top of the fruit. We get it evenly spread across, and then we put it into an oven that's been preheated to about 180 degrees, and we're going to leave it there for about 20 minutes. You can check on it towards the end of that time. You just want it to get a nice light golden brown on top. To serve, we're just going to dish it out into a bowl. Hopefully while it's still hot. And we're going to put some pouring yogurt with it.